Plant Daddy Grow packages are now available at PlantDaddy.pro for $59.95. That's about 50% off versus buying each piece individually. I use this stuff every day for my hydro and my soil plants. The kit includes my Plant Daddy Jungle Juice plant food, which I use to feed my hydro plants. It also works with soil plants as well. My 1-quart plant food mixing container, which allows you to mix small amounts of plant food. A pair of plant snips to make those accurate precision cuts. And heavy-duty plant shears to cut those thicker stems and the roots. The number one failure of houseplants, under or over watering. Use a moisture meter and quit guessing. A thin scrub brush that helps clean those plants' roots as well as the plant containers. My favorite glass cylinder for starting your very first hydro plant. And why not look stylish while we're having fun? It comes with your very own black Plant Daddy t-shirt, not tank top. And all this plant gear fits really nicely in the hydro bucket. Also, the bucket comes in really handy when we're making those hydro plants. Next video, we're getting busy. I'm going to teach you guys how to make badass, inexpensive hydro Christmas gifts.